Hey, how are you? Thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making pancakes, and more specifically, you might call them corn cakes, or corn flour pancakes, or cornmeal pancakes, or just pancakes. But anyway, they start with a box of Jiffy cornbread mix, and if you like cornbread, you'll definitely love these. And some people like to eat them like a regular pancake with butter and syrup on them. Me, I like to eat them like cornbread, and I just like to put a little bit of butter on them and eat them like, you know, like a biscuit or something. That's the way I like them. But let's get started. Okay, so in this glass dish I have, or bowl I should say, I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add an egg, quarter cup of milk, and I'm just eyeballing it because if it's not enough I will add a little more. You can tell kind of by the consistency of the pancakes whether it's too thick or too thin. I'm going to whisk this egg up a little bit before I add the cornbread mix. Got my pan getting hot there. I have a recipe it's called cornbread pudding, and it's just really a corn casserole. People all the time ask me to bring it, like, you know, if I go somewhere for a holiday, or if I go somewhere just for a get together. A lot of people have had my cornbread pudding, and they sure ask for it a lot, so I definitely keep Jiffy on hand. Now, I must have gone a little light on the milk because it's definitely too thick, so I'm going to add a little more until it seems right. For pancakes that you're going to eat, you know, with syrup, you want them to be a little on the thinner side. But the first one I'm going to make is going to be, for me, it's going to be just a corn cake that I'm going to eat with some butter on it. So it doesn't need to be too thin for that. It can be a little thicker. Basically, like fried cornbread is really what it is. Okay, I'm going to put some avocado oil in my pan here. So it should take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I'm not sure if I have it quite hot enough, but I'll speed the video up so you don't have to watch it for every second of its cooking time. Get that one out. That one's got my name on it. And if you want them to be about the same size, just use a scooper or measure the dough by using a, you know, a measuring cup or something like that. Okay, well, I guess I'll take this opportunity to give a taste to my corn cake. See, I think they're just perfect like this. I don't think they need any syrup, but my husband would beg to differ. Okay, so our corn cakes, corn pancakes, whatever you want to call them, are done. I'm going to turn them off here. And they're so good with just butter on them, eating them like a piece of cornbread, or of course you can put syrup or powdered sugar or whatever you like on there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out some of my others. I have a lot of recipes that are, you know, more in depth than this. This was a super easy one, but my channel is called Rhonda's Thrifty Kitchen, and all my recipes and videos are there, and my website is rhondasthriftkitchen.com, and my recipes are there that you can print out, and I also have my videos there. So do me a favor, hit subscribe. It's free to you, and it helps me to be able to make more videos. And thanks for checking in on me today. Hope to see you soon. Bye.